Isato chia butokire chia bono botuko mwancho murigari asiri tukeriga ri 15 na rimo mutinyi obwechiri bubere boso mutinyi 12 mwaka bwechiri bubere 25 na kwariganira senchira bene tosange asemesa yama yakuru ensoko chinsa isato kumanya ya aene kigwe kuru ase chinsemo huna botambe buna nachika komanya ritukori ara robo sobotko bwari ronto chigotware nkwana ya bena setura chikomurikera siasa kuruase orgongo rwagusi aya ne kiwa sensemo yobora yensemo ya magendro naboigo hemiro bidio keregendre torongo rwagusi kuyarigania bosio bobochoyo bonene bo mwaka bwechirubere 25 na ibera bagani babere mbachikukira na studio omu MCA we ward ya basibo itangare egotoka sensemo yebungi abo basio mheshimiwa Thomas Obare abigo mu MCA we ward ya Gesusu egotoka sensemo yebunge ya Nyaribari Masabase county ya Kisi bachikotokonya gosanga na kumurikira siasa kuruase orgongo rwagusi kurende tutarika sensemo iyo asensemo ya mayakuru ensoko chinsa isata yo chakira bono turanyora senchira yobo ikiranu haya negatiari to kwarigande tyo butko bwarero
familia mayaka toshie abantu bana familia ya mabare kubiye nyangi kakame akakatite aliyo pole ya bashimi waitu alibora nje mubwato moyo muye
tokonya kwenia bancho baito ya mati abantu 10 abasireti amagema abo gosaba barai
able to launch the daycare and lactation center. I'm very happy you did not call it the mother's room.
University ya Kisi yabaigorire bena bakori mirimo baya nsemo yo kugongeria abana bake
negetenga ki nentono takire una bagusi ebyame bito tobwate byagusi bikongigwe tobwate byame binge ese kemo kyabo kirege Kenya Social Congress
abo bagusi baburiwe gochichamo na kweri kense byama byagusi. Karibu sana mwancho murigaria bono togo chaka na robot roko bwatia ase chiamate chiaba siriti amagimabo kubwate kanombo basokonomo bwe para uyo nyata ko bagukwirira amagima y'abantu 10 gosiria amagimabo niko bono chiasokire na gosaba bakonye kurwase habarai hiryo go bachikwenekia umuyiga bo matanga kebomo hase abo basirite barachikwenekeriwa emiseyo Abuno murikito Steven Nyariki agotomanyia so robot roko bwatia oyo kurigia ekerego kyobo jumbe Muske Rogers Moturi hamono mu MCA we ward ya Nyamaiya mheshimiwa Chris Osiemo niko bano basabiro mu governor we county ya Nyamira kubeka emiroberio na bane muno kwenekia bune bendera ya county yo ngotiriwere enuso muringoti bune ncheremo yogo chukurwesiko gochasa basiria magima
Ekero ebirero na magombo agendrete kuimoka ase chinsemo chiabonyaiguba na bokiambori ase ensemo ya rangenyo maiga y'abantu babogosira kubwatikana n'ubwasukano bw'epara yeire obogima bw'abantu 10 ase ensemo ya Chabera igo familia yubene yesokirie na kuboria nganere bya basiru eryo kwendelea no moyega bwa matanga
muinoraga ko ni akurkucheni gasare kapati Nugujaro minto familia mayaka toshie abantu bana familia ya mabare kubiye nyangi kakame akakatite aliyo pole ya bashimi waitu alibora nje mubwato moyo muye motokonye simokonye njine kerama ambe kiri chumo niko beka toro mainanya access ni bibi taigai Ndio ne kwenye rero kondwanira lakini umuntu bono natige ngene itara ndio adino na mako abana ngenda bari kiso yona atige itara iyo muntu ochi zamarite mu bitika bona atane ukungara yo sirete mu muronito yaro kumbwati itotigaite babere ne mwana gutandete gakora ntukwati kende mu kiyoyo na urenge support ayo mukiyoyo ase familia yae yako gara kirege nero ngoleta mushenka hakuna nchia naone njira kule gaiga tubwati kino nje naona akanya okende tabwa ntimbwati namo serio ndio mtu taitana usaidizi bonde bwanzi ura konyo cha familia bana mbali school ya mwanale university naro kolete bono njira teyo
Gati ya baria basiria magimabo namona matamora anibirita Chochi Nyamboga William Mayaka Riabo Sibori Esther Kemuma Eren Nyaboke Cheni Gesare Richard Kebaso amono yonde tutaramanyarieta
Aki etimoko nyore ndagera motokonye kende motokonya abairi go bara abange bagucha bakogenda kurumageriki kitana cyonse somugaka arinde kogenda
igo kobomo bagenderere gusabanga nerebuya barayi banyamira gochichamo na kubareresia iri kwene kingwe ni bare abanjo babo boikeranu
igongi mugetebeta na beke kwenda na arenge bono ngasinyunga cyumugaka gatebe go kwenda utige chimburi kine cyomena kiregende ngateba yaya ni rati mangende mushikuri nanganje temono agonsa gusa kabisa ante ibo ngengakire akara imogete tinakoraki natema ko nkarratingo no kumusaria nkoro ngategerera ngakira
oyo koria ikiro cy'ubujumbe wa West Mugrango Moskero Jasmuturi ngati yabari abagendere wesokia na gusaba serikali kubwatira namo n'abarayi bonsi iriyo kwenekinga matanga yungo nyarare kwera hase obiya
tayunguru kwa Rogers Muturi ongera igengo sababu niga difference cyose bitobwate political difference turachi tochamo ndabana bamo tokonye gifamilie gitolere ne gifamilie gitole mine gifamilie igo bono agoikira boniga turabeka difference aside nzabye omo gabana itonyalibo nere bono moneno itokuru Nyamira county aigie bandere enusu mulingoti ya Nyamira tolere abantu abami
Chris Osiemo no MCA we ward ya Nyamaiya
nanje apili yana to the county government na abasike baminto ko batego naga ingakiyo bakongo tweke family cyange ikiagero musigo no monene ngono kera tokubwatera namo etoko gusuyo musigo oyo no abantu bari baminto basireti tubanyale kubakonya
Steven Nyarike Munde Ensoko TV county ya Nyamira
kurase county ya Nyamira mwancho muregeri atogoska bosio hasabana rituko lya rero batendri we university ya Kisii boso batendri we university yo bokoragwa no munyakirogo we university yo Dr. Sarah Ruto nigo bana bayigorire bene nsemo y'abakori emirimo be university yo hasibara chikogonkeria abana babo korangana no mukonyi bo mu chancellor we university yo Professor Nathan Ogechi nigo bana ainekire unanonya yairire egekahe tambe omweri oya nigo emirobiri yo nyariko bakigwikirana anigera chego konya homobaro monge bw'abakori emirimo be university yo nabo igo kwene kyango ikirani bare amachiko yenso muri gito Petuel Machini na renga senseme yo robot ro ya senchere bwikirana
Gelegele jamani
Ubutendri we University ya Kisii korawa no munyakirogo we University ya Dr. Sarah Ruto nigo ditsukuri rero bayigwire bene nsemo y'abakora imirimo be University bakogongeria abana babo.
So it is really a pleasure to be with you this morning and to be able to launch the daycare and lactation center. I'm very happy you did not call it the mother's room, because then fathers say hiyo sio yetu, hiyo ni ya mothers. So it is a daycare and lactation center for everyone, isn't it?
Kuringana no mukonyi wo mu chancellor wa university yo Professor Dr. Nathan Ogechi nigenekiribuna nonya yairege kegetambe omwiro ye nigo yikirinde na nigera chigokonya mbaro monke bwabo kuri emirimo wa university yo nabo igwikirania amachiko na marago yense.
It's taken a little time, but at least we are here to have it actualized. We have a large population in this place with 610 staff, men and women, with 24,000 plus students. And one other thing, Chair, is that a greater portion of our staff are also potential mothers, or their mothers ideally. And of course, even the fathers who are there have to support the children. As the registrar said, if you want somebody that is productive, ensure that when he or she comes to work, his attention is focused on work without having to fear about what is happening elsewhere. So to us, this is step one of ensuring that we are getting and complying with the laws of the land.
Sensema Dr. Sarah Ruto nigo airobya wechinsemo chokogonkeria bana asimitinye 35 mo emetangani yobugema bwabo.
Other than being compliant with the law, specifically the Health Act of 2017. This daycare and lactation center for me is very important because it allows us as the Kisii community to pay attention to children, and research has told us that the first 36 months of their life is perhaps the most critical. That we do not even know what a child learns, how they learn during the first 36 months. And therefore, if you go even to the industrialized world, when you see what effort they do and they play within the first 36 months, you will know that they are investing in the foundation so that they can grow up to be well. And I'm glad that we have started in this journey.
Nanyanabo nigo Professor Dr. Nathan Ugechi ainikimnani gasa magacha gentse kwa gachosi University yo barachikorosia se kiradirongo ensema borkwa bakogonkeria bana babo.
So phase 1, we are taking care of the staff, but as you are aware, we also have some other structures within the university which we are completing. The Titian Complex. We hope we'll shortly give it a better name, because buildings here are either called Titian Complex, I don't know, Agriculture Complex and the like. We need to give them names. Within the Titian Complex, for each floor, there is a place that has been designated, which we are going to finish up and ensure that they also become a place where our students can also have their babies taken care of in case they need to bring them around.
Kuripotiria Ensoko TV kurasa University ya Kisii Nchempethuel Machin.
Tukoska bosio mwancho morigari aritkoria rero nigo aba director na boigo abarimi kurasa chi factory cha Itumbe na Nyamache cyatware gikaro hekyoge korekana kira umwaka hiri gukwandira higatime chanda barimi bekemeri yechaye bagwetera na boigo chinchera babwendrate kubwatia elyo kwene kyabuna nkonyora bare bonus yabwendrate ukwana ime ye factory ya Nyamache heyo gotoka sense mu bonge ya bubasi nigo munyakero gubwe factory ya Nyamache Maxwell Magoma hanyarko baga kuruko bole go cha sabarimi bekemeri kyechaye kwene kyabuna ngo kirenda bare buya haso kuburugera na boigo gukebekera oboyo gotora echaye hase chintunde satokera umutienyi kwane kiabuna echaye bagokoba gochiasa chi factory nechaye ebwate ebirango bikiranete na wigocho kwane kiabuna bonus ya bongo kinero muri kito Caroline Mosa na gotomanya senchero yobikirana
atekana nege karo kiabene kikeko bage gokorwa ase chi factory au imense yetu ya Kenya litkoria rero kurwa se factory ya Nyamache egikaro kiabene kiabage gokoreka abwa saba director na baiga balimi baba gwikirana ase chi semecho ligotwara egikaro kyabo kyo gukora umwaka
ito yaanze kuonekana kuja Mombasa simply because the quality ya improve and to wa graba na so tuibwa tuwa nego to kia hoki so iwana ni na bale gente que ko kuki ni ko tuita don como tole na bara I want to believe that the government nero na yeye anchiranire tuanze kubatia abantu atiga mangana yo kuja kukolecha kyagere byasare binabya kolekana tese mesima ate chi factory kirikia bale bichi alenge mahate ki mesi chigapo independent factories chikateko tutegeti byasare mu bichi nimo tutakamira mu tese kenya yetu byaro gatora wecha ayo tekero gatora marakano mutienyi bose marakatatu tekere yake igo ebintu bine mbiro bikebike tutegete kukwanira nabari asito bwate naro emechande go yichipara na amangana kwerende extension services ngokwana tolene the county government ngito bwatesi abalimi abaito banyale konyora obosemi bokuchikuba konya kuchimara
Rengana no director Abel Kenyoru niga basabira abalimi abanyare ko ba abatwereru na gosimeke chaye nyinge elibabe bakuatana no akorwa se factory ya Itumbe eyo ebwenerete ko bage gwatana no akorwa se factory ya Nyamache
tu Nyamache togende Itumbe onye ntubwati chaye ntoguso igomwe igwa conditions kiaruwe lakini rende ntokuwa wikatoborie gentekyo egekogera tukuboria egentekyo there are two reasons. One, ntogocha komenya Nyamache miaka yonse ntwa Itumbe eria kabere mbatagete keyboard kubeka ba director batatu kirefa factory ono nyote bangu jikoto mentali jibesa ntumanye tieke wango ikobono inurete chai kibesa comment ki yari bogake ebuya goseri
tarikubara bono iga equality zone 11 yengima equality gere ari Mombasa moisonde narenge Pakistan matukana narenge Iran equality yetu yachire igo bone ngento tubolire ne volume iyo chairman yakwanire egwena teche igoro erinde reduce the cost of operations.
Ombaso mweno uyore board member ase factory yeiga ya Nyamache niga batebiria balime buna nige kiombe gya KTDA nseyo moroberio KTDA Foundation kera chikobage kwena na scholarship gochia somwana yomo ase kere factory uyora bega gukora buya ase amatema abo.
Ndokubona muri foundation nga KTDA Foundation sponsorship nga yaje wana matemna sogete moje monyore bali bakolire buya kere factory ne sponsor umwana oyomo bali bakolite
gamba igoro y'ebintu binde byonse ngonye cyatele ngoje factory enyinge digereche nchobugima bwaito ugwaka na madeni na gora kiange nemechandere menge sana ikoti gamba sababa limibanya mache itumbe kamoranje mo basako tiyakolete cha factory igoro y'omuntu onye nemechando mubwate chitundo bali tema marorame kaina ikiri chyo visi chirerega bantu kosoro wemechando ya ino bona boja mutinyu sto taraba kapu yemechando yo boya yabeire chigali na chiabori chikola to boya no abone Mombasa chigali chiabori ikotate ko basabanga ina asbaje chigali chikotoka yakora government ne bwata moyo na Mombasa over 2 million bucks na intunto bwato boyo muna KDDA egento kia kere ne chigali tole kanyorega alibira kuri Nyamache atoje to metara toro boyo na bego toletera bana
to kwata bana chi university college elinde kitokone to kogenda gari ese to koiterieroni twa ego chikora twa nyore yene ntirego ono twa sinipoirene beta paki pobori ngakieroni yane ntugoro ekine ngo saba moga ni moto kwana ali cho visi ese tibengi tie tigo titata mendera na ekere kiararire kakina sabire moto mokonya bali mito nyore bese tusomeri abana
Rwa Nyamache ime bunge ya Bobasigi ko reporter ya Mayane Soko TV Elietariane Mausa Caroline
Toska bosio mwancho morigereria amugusi niko bona aboriwe gochamo na kwerikia se byama byagusi unenjire mo yokumosira nonyene chinga kichiga oyo kabero mwaziri w'oburendi bwaime yense ya Kenya Dr. Fred Matiang'i hare neganga yogocha korigia uburayi bwense ya Kenya bagokwana nabarari omubasolero nigo abarayi bali bachorera se kiama ya Kenya Social Congress basingireire buna nero buya homugusi gochamo na kwerera ebirero bya bose na korigia ebirego wetera se byama bibikorokorwa sorongorega rwagusi buna gotumanya muri Kito Wycliffe Orenge
Buna enjira yamo yokuyaregania asobochole bonene obuguri bosyo omwaka w'ekiri 2025 bere ebyama aho kurwa sarongo rwagusi nigo bigenda takwebekamo na kwebeka liberera iguru yechinchira birachakoba asobochole obwo asengenche yu ekyama gya Kenya Social Congress kubwatrana ne shirika la CMD nigo lyatwara umusangirekano na babwatani bekyama ekyo elyo gukwanira amanganayo arengete ekyama ekyo
lero twachaga iga konyorana abarayi ekiameke kuruse county ya Nyamira na Kisii bono tuwa serikali ibere serikali ye county ya serikali iri ya Nairobi so ntute tubeke mipango come 2027 tonyore ntubwata abarayi bale in place bagocha koire birugo torosie serikali ndete kone ndimbia mono sabantu ba Kisii county particularly ekiagera babere bagubwatse ekiameke bachora abarayi kuru ekiameke yonko ene mbia mono bantu bamagenje bantu banyatieko n'abantu babo barajo
yekoragwa na tatikengere uyoro murayi w'ekyamekyo ni go batebire kirenga gy'ekyamekyo busibo bochori bw'umwaka w'2025
ekerenge kenne gyatolenta lero ngoja kubanga imikakati ya 2027 ngagitogwe position kuri abarayi bagoja gutene kikura ebirogo byonse bigoja kero wa MCA bakobo president ekiara maite kiamekero kero kirenga kiaye kenene no koire serikali
abarai ao bari bachorire ne kiame kyo kurwasa rwango rwa Gusii abo barenga somo sangerekano yo nigo babasaba bamanyi barwango rwa Gusii berikia ase byama bya Gusii ereko bisira
igo bono negetenga ki nento bono takire buna Bagusii ebyame bito tobwate bya Gusii bikongigwe tobwate byame binge ese kemo kyabo kirege Kenya Social Congress yaikeire bono nga etakire twisaranse tokonge byame bi nali na into kero to kwenda gwisaranse mesende yonse serikali na be county ose national government to gwisaransa tobwate nyumba yaito kera abantu baminto mama etenga kero tobwate nyumba tokunyara gwisaransa sabantu oba ebyeka buno morai no choru nga oso wachoru na DCP oso DM kero gwisaransa sabantu ine nyumba ya bandu gwisaransa nero
boigo nigo bamwako boko oyo kabiro muwaziri w'obulendi bw'emensi ya Kenya Dr. Fred Okengo Matiang'i aseganga yaye yokubolia ekirogo ky'oburayi bw'ensi ya Kenya omwaka wa 2025
nimanyete nganto bwate birengere byabo kimutuno mu Gusii Kenya Social Congress ni kiama sibiri binde bya Gusii na binde bire Kenya twakiramo tokore simubango ngakito yuko support yo ito mwana minto Dr. Fred Okengo Matiang'i
tobwate president yaito kwa Okengo Matiang'i totebete twensipibu na chipati cha Gusii ngabonera undi nkumubate stole
bakeremye na musiate atabegente kemo Gusii nduna banta bamo Nyamira na Kisii gandu ere mu Gusii atabegente kemo turwaniramo egekogera mutuga iga Gusii okuborigu ayengi kwaretira asemesa
nena kenigo mwemsibe wodi ya Magenche Omosket Timothy Ogugu abakurira basaye batike gutumikwa ube gisiasa irakoreta chiruguru asemesangerekano
na ndanene mbori abantu baminto inikisi onye chisegije basa matangero ya politics kamuranje tutige kitabie icho tigokero umuntu akwana matanga asokolemia bali basirire abantu bamwe abotari asokorora gisegi kupima chinguru kya kisiasa asa matanga
pasaya na baraboni go basemigwa barigiye ebiru aho by'oburayi nabo kubori gobeli kibuna bakicikura eri banyare koleta monchiryo omwaka wa 2025
babasaye bonsi etoko basabanga mo register ande tabakwana siasa ngayo gutumika bana lichuma kwaenda kwajigotera abana siasa bande nobwate jukumu nayo swe sepati ochakerese location level and ward level obe chairman obe secretary obe organizing secretary kochigoro na ino bakunyarekana na omusa obere party leader
amugu jenzi nabaka bande nabangi batabwata chikura kamuranje bwata chikura ekura nere kwende liti muri yao uraje gutwarira tetoka nga ogotare para kura mabara na kura tobwati
ingoripota ya Nsoko TV kurwase county ya Kisii editoriane Wycliffe Orenge
Beono morikito Wycliffe Orenge noroboti urwase njira yubo ikirano mwancho murigeria kurwase county ya Kisii wanotoka swase county ya Nairobi hase kiombe ya Independent Kenya Women Awards ikanyari kubagi kubwato koroboti roba subati ababwate omonso boigo korenta amoncho ria sebinyoro chiabisi na boiga sechi sector oimense korangana no na Bernard Simanto oyore omorai wekiombekyo nigo bona atebire kirenga ikiombekyo no gosegeta basubati meyense ase kyabwato kire egatia marieta basubati abagokoria emiremo yabo na boigo kwenekia ngwikirani bare miroberi yabasenchire bwendrete nigaya ne kyaiga asomo baganyo yomo aiga se county ya Nairobi.
This year on 7th June ICWA convened its annual summit and gala bringing together over 1,000 women from across the country and diaspora. Leaders, entrepreneurs, creatives, professionals, grassroots champions, and policy influencers. The gathering was more than a celebration. It was a powerful space for reflection, dialogue, and collective commitment to building a stronger and more inclusive Kenya. Now, our reflection on 2025, the progress and reality for women in Kenya. As we close 2025, it is important to speak honestly about what this year was meant for women and to women in Kenya. We have witnessed meaningful progress, we may say that, stronger collaboration between women-led organizations like FIDA, civil society, and government institution.
Okay, the ICWA Top 100 Women of Influence in Kenya 2025, tumesema it's 100 stories, one nation, endless inspiration, whereby we have our First Lady, Mama Rachel Ruto, anaongoza the list, followed by Honorable Cecil Mbarire, the Governor Embu County, Honorable Gladys Wanga, Governor Homa Bay. We have Faith Odhiambo, the President LSK. We have Honorable Jerry Mahina, I think Women Rep. We have Reverend Katie Kiona. We have number 7, Faith Kipiegon. We have Honorable Gadon Wamshomba. We have Pastor Dorcas Rigathi.
I am deeply aware of the urgent need to create safe spaces for women and girls across Kenya. Despite progress in legal protections and awareness, gender-based violence remains a persistent challenge in our homes, workplaces, and communities, basically places where are supposed to be considered a safe haven for us.
Kurwase kaunti ya Nairobi mwancho murigeria tokoso ase kaunti ya Nyamira naende maiga yomuboraka William Mongare otigerwa bana bake batatu maiga yomurugi wa agosiria obugima bwae asamareta Happiness Nyanchama kurwase kenyorogi ya Kerenda igigotoka ihime ye ward ya township niko bono bare no mogoko maiga yesiro yokwegwa engombe erigo cha Kerenda na kuendera buna bana batigarete nkorendo bara sencherengia bagokwana ase kanisa ya Adventist ya Nyamira South niko ya mate heyo ya sokire na kumwera riembu yo musamario yo sokya na kwenda kya buna nkobasira ariko babokonya ubwengombe
asamareta ngoro kuile mangara nincho moruya nasirete mwesime wajuke ante ko ngare ngombe na nyanyori mwesime wajuke yasanya wose kiendo kwange na Kenya na makokaze na onda mona na abandi
ko memba ngana iga polisi magega Kerenda na ire ne irio mwesime goito nandi yamono ase ira agiete na ndu nyekira ni enyi gwete buya naende no mogoko mwana uyu no yona nere mukamu muransirerete atina tigeta abana
incha samarieta igonde chali sio charo machogu aseri tukoria rero umwesimi wa diuki twakira ase ngenjo yaye umuchigurango no yo sirete no mocho koruburango osirete ase tuteneine no mwesimi watigu kiachete akarieira ngana aretere umwana uyo nyagusirerwa munginoye na moretere ngombe naenda maene oretire ngombe twakira kwa niaba yo mwesimiwa nabo igo naende nkeye nayanjete aiga igo turu muchigurango mugima Kerenda town sumagega polisi magega bona naende igo tware gusabaiga abantu borango Nyasaye basisenie ayatata umwana uyo watigairwa abana bake Nyasaye gosisenie nabo igo naende tware gusaba abantu ba minto umwesimiwa naenderete gokonya naende buna mumanyete bono amaiga na abiri igo tware gusaba nga ekebindi kegego chigoso 2027 amentu amaiga atatu erinda arugo kimabo ya abantu baragire ase igo na kimware bateba abantu borango
yamara biza byane ngo kwa Steven muri Steven Ogega Marita tiange dibageri ase wakira mwesimi goito yuk ase gasingi yakorire yanda okora ase abotiye asokora ngokonyire kwaria babwate mechando gobuna konia paje kanisa na ile bagere kumaka ngambia mono maneti amasiseni nenda ngomento ngane kisemi ekanda kutora ase abotiye yaito ya township
kanisa ya meri
kanisa yaito kanisa ya South na South kanisa stone ne gaiga lakini ande saba skulu ngari
asamareta nchafet nyaronde ngorupwa murayo police line kurwasi yo mujaja police line kanisa nkasi kanisa nene ya Nyamira South uyo nyori umuchando no arasi umujaji ito bakurwasi kanisa singi njabarisi baba pisi abatetu kandi ngambya mona yakwera muri se mwesimi wa Duke kandi se kanisa no matanga bereta akaliranga nanyare okonyo muroya more ngombe nainde moeno moretera ngombe twabere no mogoko ngambu yakuiria chira na guchikani kulingana na ni Biblia bote
Kurwase kaunti ya Nyamira wanotogoso ase kaunti ya Kwale asomora ibwense ya Kenya William Ruto ritukoria rero nigabakiro rya soko bekwa wese yigati ye company ya Bamburi Cement neri ya Sinoma CBMI unenchiremo yo kokonya usakoene kemiroberio ya serikali kuriye kubwatana na mashirika au yatari ya serikali unenchiremo yogo chigoikirania amagendero mwananchi atari kobekerwa egurube yo kurusiwe bango ndeo nsi muri kito Julia Obuba na muri kiro robot rwa senchere bwikirana
Umuraibu William Ruto otogire kubatana kwa bekirwe gatie kampani ya simiti ya Bamburi nere ya Sinoma CBMI iriko iyechoka yakorosie simiti ase kirongi ge bilioni 32 ensemo ya Matuga Kwale County.
This national project is anchored on strategic infrastructure development, and I hope Bamburi you're listening. Expanded, reliable and affordable energy, large-scale infrastructure in irrigation through extensive dam construction designed to unlock productivity across agriculture, manufacturing, housing, transport and services.
Serikali ya Ruto yabekire bosio okubatirana gwe serikali ne chikampuni cha banyene rigwikirania ndoto ya magenderero.
Unless we make bold investments in different parts of our economy. And we want to do that without necessarily burdening taxpayers or endangering the country with borrowing. And that is why we have developed alternative mechanisms of how we are going to do this, using mature assets that we have as a country and leveraging those by putting together private-public partnership where we can bring on board more private sector resources.
Waziri wa bonchererane viwanda Liki Nyanjui nigo nera arire ira ye wizara yaye uchegosire kiwanda ekyo aschinchera ibere.
Your Excellency, our support for the industry is at two levels, is in creating policies that generate confidence, and I want to thank you because a lot of the proposals we've brought for the industry, working together with the stakeholders, you have supported us, and I really want to say part of what you see today is a product of many discussions that have yielded in this. I want to assure the industry that we shall continue to support you, and Kenya wants to get its rightful position in the broader conversation around import substitution and creation of wealth and employment in the country. Lastly, Your Excellency, I was just discussing with some of my colleagues, and we were saying that breaking down your conversation around your vision for the country, we have agreed that nobody can dream for you. People can help you to get to where you want, but nobody can dream for you.
Julia Obuba, Ensoko TV.
Wanchumuligaria habuno tuiko mwerio wemesa yama yakuru Ensoko chinsa isatu asuku kumanyari aenekiwe korende ko sabanga toskare nkora nanda sensemo ya kabira sinkwane ya beno butukubware ronachika ukomanya turachie kumurekera siasa kurwase orogongo rwagusi toskare.